So you want to solve a Rubik's Cube. Let's mix it up and then solve it. Alright, the first step in solving it is you want to locate this white center, and you want to solve for these 4 white pieces to make a white plus. And one thing to keep in mind, if this is white, you want it to match the center on the side. So white, this has to be blue because of that. White, this has to be orange because of the center. White, this has to be green because of the center. And white, this has to be red because of the center. So let's go ahead and do that. Now that we've done that, we want to solve these white pieces right here. So to do that, we want to locate a white piece, a white corner piece like this, and we know this white corner piece has to be here because it has to match the centers. So this would have to be orange, this would have to be blue, and this would have to be white, which is exactly what this one is. So in order to do that, you do the move that's on screen, where right to the whatever's facing you, this is right, this is right, this is right prime, which is indicated by the dash, and then this is F, this is F prime, this is L and L prime, this is middle, M and M prime, and then back, this is back, and this is back prime. So now we are going to do the move that's on screen to solve for this piece. And you're going to repeat it until it is the right orientation, and you're going to do that with the last 3. Alright, now we want to solve for these edge pieces right here. And to do that, you're going to find one. So let's start with this red and green piece. We're going to get whichever one's on front on the side of that color. So in this case it's red. And then what we're going to do is the move on screen, or you can think about it by just pushing it away, and we want it right here, so we can push it away, then bring it up, push it towards, then reset the white, and then push it one more time and do the front, and then bring it back, and the white is still solved and that piece is inserted. And we can do the same for this last piece right here. Lastly, we need to solve for this yellow face and then the edges and corners. To do that, in this case, we get this L looking piece, and what you're going to do is this move. You're going to do the front and then the same move, R, U, R prime, U prime, and then F prime. And now you get a minus. Hold it to where the minus is subtracting, and then do the same thing. And now we get this case where we have the plus, and then this kind of looks like a fish. And you're going to hold it to where the fish is pointing towards you. And since there's a yellow piece here, we're going to hold that piece facing us. And then we're going to do this move. And if it was like this, and then the yellow piece was here, you'd do the same thing just on the right. But in this case, we do this move. And that will solve the yellow. And lastly, all the corners are solved in this. So we just have to worry about the edges. And to do the edges, what we want to do is, there's a solved face. We want to put that away from us, and then we take the piece that we want to solve, and we know it needs to go this way. So we're going to go 1, 2, and then towards the way you want it. Do M, and then the same twice, and then do the middle again, and then rotate it the same direction, and then twice, and then the cube is solved. Now let's say the corner pieces were not solved. All you would do is this move that's on screen. That's the move that you do. And of course, since mine was solved, it just messed up the cube, but that's what you do to solve the corner pieces.